Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infinity of Nashua. Oh no, don't stick together. Today we have the 2019 Toyota RAV-4 XLE. This one's the XLE Premium, Midnight Black Metallic. Total sticker price of $32,533 when new. Obviously this one is pre-owned. 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, 203 horsepower, 184 pound-feet of torque. Obviously all-wheel drive. Do like the light interior. I've always been a fan of light interior colors. To me, it just spices things up a little bit. Changes, you know, you see so many black on black on black, or gray on black. Black interiors or dark color interiors are so common. It's nice to spice things up a bit. What does this one have on it? 35,808 miles. Of course, I did all that and I never checked. This was torque converter auto, CVT. Feels torque converter. Yeah, 8-speed direct shift auto. Backup camera, of course. Driving it in sport mode, but you got a ton of modes. You got eco, normal, sport, snow. You could do sport snow. That's pretty cool. Mud and sand, rock and dirt. But let's go back to sport because that's the most fun. I'm a pretty big fan of the RAV-4, having just driven a couple weeks ago the RAV-4 Prime. That was a riot. That has right about maybe a little over 300 horsepower combined. And that thing was a little rocket ship. But even in this, I'll say middle of the road, average trim, it's still a really nice SUV. Definitely better than previous generations. Definitely really fun to drive. This 2.5 sounds really good too. Variable valve timing, of course. Pretty cool. Honestly, I mean, people don't talk about it because it's not as popular as VTEC. But if those of you watching who are enthusiasts, first of all, I applaud you for watching a review on an SUV when you're an enthusiast. I appreciate that though, because you're interested in everything just like I am. But those of you that remember the Matrix and the XRS trims of, well, the Corolla and the Matrix, you remember that they had that variable valve timing motor in them that sounded phenomenal. And I think that motor was the one used in the Lotus Elise. So there's definitely variable valve timing history with Toyota, but it's not talked about nearly as much as VTEC. If that's an XRS, that's the same generation I'm talking about. That's probably just an S though. That would have been perfect. I've driven a Matrix XRS with that motor, and it was a riot. 5 or 6 speed manual. The thing was awesome. See the kick down. Not bad. No, that's my first time driving one of the. Well, no, I've driven the Prime out on the road, but one of these out on the road. I reviewed a similar one back when I worked at Quirk, and then they wouldn't let me drive on the road anymore, which personally I think is messed up, but whatever. Anywho, I'm not gonna get into that. First time really spending time with it. It's an awesome little SUV. Thought I shut you off. Did I shut you off now? Oh, I give up. It's a nice feature, but sometimes it gets annoying. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.